Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Extra Hot. Forex is Thursday, so let's go straight to NASDAQ, US30 and gold. Yesterday we did it. We had some nice profits. So here it seems like NASDAQ is still going down. But let me go to a daily time frame so that you can see what's really happening. So here is still the same. I drawn this thing like 3 days ago. Even now this support is very strong, guys. So what we can see here is we can just go to a bit smaller time frame and see exactly what's really happening. But you can see that we had this rejection and the market really respected this area. So this area is very strong and is very important. So we should just make sure that we draw our line here so that we respect this area, so the market can still play around here. But I saw that there's a resistance that we should check out, so let's go to a bit smaller. It's 4-hour time frame. So on a 4-hour time frame we can try to draw that resistance so that we can see exactly what's really happening. So it seems like you see exactly. So let me draw that again. So it's something like this, you see. So here I wanted to, yeah, okay, actually we are on a wedge. It's like every day it's a wedge, but if you draw something like this here, you will see that okay, this thing is really still on a bearish momentum. But why? Because we are on a very bigger time frame, is still 4 hours. But when you draw something like this will just make sense. So but here, since we have this support, the market is unable to break this area, unless if the market still pushes lower, maybe the market can push lower. But at the moment we're here and the market is unable to break this area, it means we'll just check this area, our buy support here, so our support where we can buy, or we can just wait for the market to break this area and we can say now the market is still strong. Why? Because this area actually it's a bearish momentum. Actually the market is just going lower. I hope you can see that. So even if we have this like sometimes we have this bounce back that happens around the support, but we can still see that we are still on the bearish momentum. So even if maybe we try to go to a bit smaller, I think we're going to see similar thing happening. You can see that. So now what are we going to do? It's we already high, unless if the market reaches this area again, then we can say maybe we can look for another buy. But we must be safe that if this area is broken, we will see the market comes around this area, maybe bouncing back again, respecting this perfect downtrend. Actually we are on a downtrend, but again we have this strong support which is an uptrend. Sometimes this thing they will just confuse you, because on a bigger time frame it's still like this, but on a smaller time frame the market is actually moving lower. This is a smaller time frame, this is a bigger time frame. So on a bigger time frame the market is going high, then on the smaller time frame the market is going lower. So at the moment you can see the market is heading lower, then here we are on a nice uptrend, you see. So that way it's how you can say today we have to wait for the market to break this, or the market to come around the support, or if this support is broken we'll also wait for that, you see. So if you're not subscribed, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, share the link, and you can also contact me. Check my description if you want to be in my groups. Check my description, you will find my contacts, then you can talk to me there. And I'm also offering some free signals on my free Telegram group. Check the description, you'll find the group there, you can join the group there. So here we can also draw the same thing which we saw on NASDAQ. So I'm very fast because I the market just did exactly what we talked about yesterday. So it's something like this, but it seems like the market is very close to our support area again. You see, actually at the moment US30 is selling again. So it means if we reach this area, we can have another buy. You see, we can have another buy around this area. Why? Because this area is our support. You see, but if we break this area, it means we will see another sell off, because when I checked the news yesterday, the treasury yield, they were just going up, they were very strong. So that's why maybe the market was just pushing lower. But when the market opens, the market tried to recover, but I can see now this is a very big candlestick, a bigger candlestick. If I go to a 2 hour or maybe an hour, you will see that this is actually very big. But we also have something like this. I hope you can see that. Let me check. It's something like this. Actually, the market is still on our bearish momentum. You can see the market is playing below that. So for us to have that nice bullish momentum, it means we have to break this area. Then when we break this area, it's where we can see we can be like free. When we buy, then the market will shoot higher, you see. But at the moment, the market is still under bearish. So it means we can just rely on our support only. If it broken, I don't know where we will check another support if we have one, but I don't think maybe we have another one. Maybe it's very low or very lower. So for now, we don't have anything except this one, you see. So we rely on this one. So we're going to wait until the market reaches this area. When it reaches this area, then we can say we can push higher, or we can just wait for the market to break this area and push higher. You see, sometimes when you follow the rules, guys, it means your trading it's going to be like you're going to trade like few days. You're going to have like few days of trading. So because we'll be following something, so that way it's how you will do, and it's very safe and it's also very profitable. So let's go to gold, guys. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button and like and share with your friends. So on gold is still very high, guys. Gold is still very high. You can see we had something like this here. Even here it's like we're having something like that, but if it reaches this area, we're going to buy again. So let's draw the proper lines here. Let's draw the proper lines and see what's really happening. But the overall picture is still the same. We are on a very nice bullish momentum. So you can also draw double lines, yeah, something like this. So here the bigger picture is the market is doing something like this. I spoke about these things yesterday, even days before yesterday. So the market will consolidate around this area, and we expect the market to push up again. See, it's something like this, and something like that, you see. So we expect the market to do something like this until then around this area. We don't know where, but you can just draw your lines and see. But the bigger picture here is the market is actually on a uptrend, on a very nice uptrend. But after you see this sell, we can see, sorry, this bullish momentum like this, you can expect the market to trace a little bit before we can see another buy momentum. So I think that's all for today, guys. Just wait for another signals tomorrow. So guys, we still have that special, that 50% special. It's to join our VIP. It's $50 at the moment, guys. Just go join the group and enjoy our like 80 to 90% accurate signals. So we trade so many things in there. So if you want those things and also the lessons, just WhatsApp me or Telegram me. Check my description there. Everything is there. Then yeah, you can connect with me. Then we done. This is Kenzo Extra Hot Forex. Bow.